Hey, I'm looking at this load that you have going from Toronto, Ontario down to Chicago, Illinois. Can I get some more information about this? Yeah, no problem. This load is actually going from Toronto to Chicago. It picks up tomorrow, delivers on Monday. It's 22 pallets, 42,500 pounds. It's automotive parts, and it needs to deliver at 8 a.m. on Monday. Can you do that? The details are fine, but what about the rate? Where are you guys on the rate with this? We're trying to be at 1100 on this. Is that something that you can do for us? Well, we do have a driver that's available for pickup for this. We can do 1250. If that works for you, we can definitely go ahead and book it right now. Can you try to meet me halfway? Let's do 1175 on this. All right, 1175 works good. You can send it over. Our MC number is 1288743. Okay, I got you here in the system. You're good to go. I will send you the dispatch sheet and the load confirmation here as soon as possible. When you get a chance, just sign it, send it back to me, and include the truck and trailer number, driver name if you can, and I will also make sure to include the pickup number and that everything goes as smooth as possible at pickup. So thank you very much, and we'll be in touch. No problem, buddy. Glad we can take care of it for you. We will be in touch. Thank you. Bye bye.